That was the block path. G'day and welcome to JoeJoeMoto. Where's the race? There he is! I found my home now. I now live here. Your game, I was gonna say, man. That's it, just stay in the rut. Keep going in the rut, yeah. Change to go, man. So good. Go back a bit. That's it. Now go. Yep. You must have been out with him. Maybe we got comms. Cool. Woo! Keep going. Oh, grab race, good job. That's it, good momentum. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, look at that. Oh, that was the block path. Whoa! Mr. Reese, he's all over the place. Woo-hoo! Worst hill climb I've done for a very long time. But up is up, hey. Up is up. Congrats on that. Oh, it's a car attack. Hit me right in the neck. Oh my gosh! Hey, you didn't jump that one! I gotta say, while we're just cruising along down here, man, what a privilege to ride with Mr. Al, hey, you know, just to, you know, it's that internet fame, I'm full on fanboying out. I went to the skid factory shed over the weekend and just, you know, where they film all the stuff, and I saw one of the Mighty Car Mods cars, and it's just such an awesome moment. I just really loved it, eh? And so yeah, what an honour to be riding with Turbo Yoda himself. It's so cool. Woo! I'm really super tired today. Up at 4 o'clock yesterday morning to go jet skiing out of Maroochydore, and all day at work, and then come home, clean the ski, load the bike and camping gear, and here I am. So I'm pretty tired, hey. But let's hit this hill. Bit of momentum, so we won't have any issues then. Lots of clutch. We'll be fine. Just cruise on up it. I really like stopping like this. It would have been nice to have kept going, but hey, you know, we'll be right. Up the middle, no worries. What are you doing there, Mr. Reese? Come on! There's a bit of dust. How about a few jumps to celebrate, hey? Woo! Another one! Woo! And another one! Woo! And I think the last one! Woo! No, this is the last one! How was that? Hard on the arms. It's continuous, isn't it? It just does it, and you can't stop. You just got to keep going. Push, hey. You've fallen in love with my bike. Alright, that's where I'm going to leave the video today. Thank you so much for coming along with me. I really enjoyed this ride. It was so awesome. Big huge thank you to Turbo Yoda Al for being here and sharing in this moment with us, making memories. I love it. The Skid Factory and Mighty Car Mods fame. So cool to have him riding with us. Drop a comment below, let me know what you thought about it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell. Share this one with all your friends. Give it a big old thumbs up, and I will see you on the next ride. Here we are at the Buy Me a Beer section, and unfortunately I've ran out of beer, so I don't actually have one to show. But today's appreciation goes out to Miss Jody. Thank you so much for your support. I really do, you know, I value it so much, so thank you. You guys know how much effort I put into making these videos, going out and riding and doing all that stuff. All of the editing takes a really long time and a lot of effort, so if you'd like to buy me a beer, make sure you check out the link in the description below, and yeah, it'll be great. Thanks guys, see ya.